Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. We're on the top deck here. This is deck 12. Let me show you deck 12. You're going to love this. Here we are in the Greek Isles. This is in Santorini. We're actually here in like the caldera. In the caldera you can actually see Santorini up there. There's the village of Fira. I apologize in advance for the wind noise, even though I have a wind shield, one of those big fluffy balls on the end. Still getting a little bit of wind noise, so I apologize for that. But we are in the Greek Isles. Gonna get some breeze. But look at this view. The scenery. It's amazing. Really, what would make people want to live up there? To build a whole village up on a cliff? How would you get the materials up there? How would you get provisions up there? It's crazy to think about. But as a tourist, sure is pretty. Like I said, we're on deck 12. We're going to look down into deck 11. This is the Lido deck, the pool deck. We can also see there's also some hot tubs. And once again, the amazing view. Views like this never get old. And then once again, the pool deck. We're accompanied here with an MSC ship. Not sure which one it is. I can't read the name from here. I'll have to look it up. Let's go up one deck. Over here we'll find the rock climbing wall. There it is. All the way up there. Got some basketball going on down there. Got a fun little water slide here too. This short little fella here welcomes you to play miniature putt-putt golf. Nice hat. And back here, we got putt-putt golf, mini golf. Let's get another great view of Santorini. Once again, I apologize for the wind noise. If it was a calm day with no breeze in Santorini, it wouldn't be Santorini. Right. And there you have it, a quick tour of the top decks of Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. This is me, Mr. Shadow1969. I'm signing off now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon.